Hi there! Welcome to our kitchen at Casabalanza. Today, we're going to be making ground chicken Sotanghon soup. Let's get started. You'll need 1 large onion diced and about the same portion in julienne carrots and celery. You'll also need 1 bold head of minced garlic and green onions. You'll also need 2 32-ounce chicken broth and 3 packs of bean vermicelli. You'll also need 2 pounds ground chicken, salt, pepper, and annato powder or achuete. Soak vermicelli noodles for about 7 minutes, then trim and drain. Add the olive oil. Add in the minced garlic. Add in the onions and sweat it. Continue to saute until garlic is golden brown. Add in the ground chicken and break up. Continue to keep mixing until cooked through. Just keep stirring. Add in the carrots and celery. Give this a good mix, and again keep stirring. Add in 1 of the 32-ounce cartons of chicken broth. Make a well in the center to add in the annato powder or achuete. Doing this makes it easier to mix in. Mix this well and check seasoning for salt and pepper. Cover this and allow it to simmer. After simmering, add in vermicelli noodles. Keep on mixing. Add in the other 32-ounce of chicken broth. Check the seasoning for salt, pepper, and simmer. After a good simmer, it's ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy. Now feel free to garnish this with either green onions or scallions, garlic chips. Enjoy it this way or this way with a soft boiled egg. Thanks so much for your time and watching. We hope that you continue to keep coming back on a weekly basis to check in on all of our videos.